I believe you are all fine today, and you're welcome again to my YouTube channel. And thank you for getting hooked up to always following me in my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube account, and then like the videos, give comments, and make me know which tutorial we need to do next. For today, we are going to discuss something very simple: Excel error or common errors in Excel. For people who use Excel, I think you have been meeting these errors a lot, and let's dive straight to Excel and we see the common errors that we have. In the er- in the common errors, we have very many common errors in Excel, but of course today we are going to do only three. Let's do three at a go in each tutorial. Today we are going to start by there's this error that people always meet when they are using Excel. When you have opened your sheet like this, we are using this sheet one. The first error we are going to discuss today is there's this sign of hashtag that you have something like that, very many that appear. That one always come. It means the active cell that you are typing your words or your figures in have become very narrow. That it cannot now accommodate what you're typing in. For example, let's get to our active cell. This is cell 1B. Let's put figures like 6,000 or 6 figure we put. Let's put figure like 6 million is okay. Now 6 million, when we enter, I think you have seen what we have there. What we have here is what I'm talking about. There is that hashtag style, hash figure there. That one shows to you that the, the active cell that you have put your figures in is actually very small, that it cannot accommodate the whole figure that you have put, either figures or words that you have put. What do you need to do to correct that mistake? Please, it is just manually come here and then enlarge the cell. You don't need to do something big. Enlarge the cell. I think that is what that is what we have put as a figure. I think that is the figure we have generated. 6 million. 6 million. So that is the figure we have generated. It is very simple. Next time you meet that error, please correct it that way. Another error that we are going to discuss today is there's that error that always come hashtag div stroke zero, hashtag div stroke zero. That is hashtag division zero. What does it mean? That one means you are trying to divide a figure that is to be divided by another figure. But instead of putting that figure, you have put zero. And you know in mathematics, there is no figure that can be divided by zero. Let's try. Let's do equal 700 divide by 0. Enter. What did we get there? Hashtag div, hashtag division stroke 0. That one cannot work. How can you correct that mistake or that error? Still manually. Next time we're going to discuss how we can go to if error to correct those errors. But of course, today, let's go manual. And in this error, the best thing you can do is just to type that figure again. For example, 700 was our figure. Let's put 700. Now, for hashtag, or we do equal 700. 700 divided by 0. What is the answer? 700 divided by 0 bring for us that one. Now, to correct, we do 700. We do 700, or we start like we did the other time. 700 divided by 2, for example. What will be the answer? 350. That means you cannot divide any figure. Any figure you can put 500, 2, 3, 6, any figure by 0. It will just bring you that error. Let's go to our error number 3. Error number 3 is what people always meet is hashtag name code. That code, name code. It will always come uh, because there is an error in either typing or spelling error or mistakes, you would have put a figure with the words together. So that is not bringing the name of the right thing that you should type. For example, let's use a very simple one here. Um, Sam, Sam. That is how Sam is written. But of course, if you now add more M like that, and then you enter, what will come? Hashtag name, and you see that question mark. That means there's something in the name you have entered. How do you correct that? Very simple. Do it manually as usual. I told you today we are just going to do everything manual. Just correct. You know the spelling of Sam. Sam, just do S-U-M. Very simple. You do first go to S, mean to equal to, and then you enter. Did we do a correct spelling? Sam, enter. That's how Sam is written. So you now know the mistake we did was because the spelling we made was not correct. Let's do it again. The third error we are going to discuss today is the name code. Name code here means you did not write the same or the right spelling of the name you are going to put, or you have been mixing figure with the words, or you have put a name which is not supposed to be there. Let's do it again here. Let's put, for example, Sam. You know the spelling of Sam is supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be, sorry. We know the spelling of Sam is supposed to be like, then you enter. What will come? Name with a question mark. Check it well. Hashtag name question mark. That means the spelling wasn't correct. How do you correct this? You write now the right spelling of Sam. Enter. That is Sam. You write, you get what you want. Those are the few Excel error that we have decided to do today. Next time we shall add more and then understand how best you can correct all these errors. For today, please go and subscribe to my YouTube account. My name is Felix Uchela. Like the video and leave comment. Bye bye. Have a